Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor basic tutorials how to create 3D models for exercise number 12. Okay, first in here we can create new parts and I will choose a standard in millimeters. You can click create. The next we can create start to the sketch and I will choose a top plane. We can create circles start from this point. I will set for diameter into 100. The next we create again with diameter 40. Okay, you can press middle mouse twice to use a zoom extend. In here I will create line start from this point and you can move into here. Create again from this point to the top. And I will set a distance from this point into here. You can set 20. Okay, also from this point into here, you can set 20. The next you can use a trim command to cut this circle object. Now in here I will create circle. We can set for diameter into 6. Okay, create again in here 6. The next create circle inside here with the diameter 4 at this point and the last in here. Now you can use the tangent tools to connect between these circles into here. Also from this point into here. So you can click one by one to move the circles and connect into arch and line objects. You can apply in all 4 of circle. Okay, here we can click from this point into here and the last in this circles object. Okay, now you can click finish sketch, and to convert into 3D models we can use extrude tools. You can click here extrude. We can select this sketch. And I will change it to the bottom here. We can flip the extrusions and we can set distance into 35. You can click OK. Now in here we can use fillet command. You can click here fillet. We can set a radius into 15. For select, you can select this edge and also at this point. Click apply and cancel. The next I will select at this face. We can create new sketch. We can create circle start from a center point. Okay, in here center point and move to this point. The next you can click finish sketch and we can use extrude tools to extrude this object 30 for extrusion and use boolean join. You can click OK. The next we create again in another side in here. We can create sketch and create circle from center point into this point. The next finish sketch and use extrusion tools with extrusion 30 and output a join. Click OK. Now in here we can use shield command to shield these objects. You can click here shield, and for remove face we can select at this face, also at this face. You can set for thickness into 1 and we can click OK. So it will be automatically shield this object. The next we can active for sketch 1. You can click here and right click in sketch 1. Click visibility to check and active the sketch. And now in here we can use extrude tools. You can click here extrude. For profile we can select at this face. Okay, you also click at this point. Next in here. And the last at this point. Okay. You can change for direction. We can flip to the bottom here and we can set boolean into join. The next for distance into 20. You can click OK. So it will be correct in here. Now you can right click again in sketch 1 and uncheck for visibility. And then we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 12 with Inventor software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.